Learn English with Ozzy. This is Ozzy's bag.
Bag.
Let's take a look inside Ozzy's bag. What is this? This is a book.
Book.
And what is this? This is Ozzy's notebook.
Notebook.
What is this? This is a pair of scissors.
Scissors.
Ozzy uses the scissors to cut paper. Then he makes flowers using glue.
Glue.
He uses tape to stick the flowers.
Tape.
This is Ozzy's pencil case.
Pencil case.
Ozzy takes out her pencil sharpener.
Pencil sharpener.
He sharpens the tip of her pencil.
Pencil.
And this is Ozzy's ruler.
Ruler.
He places the ruler on the flower and draws the stem. And there it is. Ozzy's flower is ready.
Subscribe to our channel for more fun videos.